In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting. Whether you're organizing a small team catch-up or a large conference call, these steps will help you set up a meeting with ease. Let's dive right into it. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open your Microsoft Teams application. Once you're in, look for the calendar option. It's typically found on the left-hand panel. This is where you can manage all your scheduled meetings and plan new ones. Clicking on calendar gives you a view of your week, allowing you to see your existing commitments and plan accordingly. After you've accessed the calendar, the next step is to select the date for your meeting. You can do this by navigating through your calendar view until you find the specific day you wish to schedule the meeting. Clicking on the date will allow you to initiate the setup of your meeting on that day. Now it's time to add a title to your meeting. This step is crucial because it gives your attendees an idea of what the meeting will be about. Choose a clear and concise title that reflects the agenda or main topic of discussion. For example, you might go with Weekly Team Sync or Project A Update Meeting. Following the title, you'll want to specify who will be attending the meeting. You can do this by entering the names or email addresses of your participants. Microsoft Teams makes it easy to invite colleagues directly from your organization's directory, or you can type in external email addresses for guests. Make sure to double check each entry to avoid any mishaps. Once you've set everything up to this point, don't forget to save your progress. Click on the Save button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of your screen. Saving your meeting ensures all the details you've entered are captured and the invitations are sent out to your participants. Now that your meeting is saved, you might want to share the meeting link with others who weren't initially invited or provide it in a different format. To do this, you should click on the Copy Link option. This action copies the meeting's URL to your clipboard, making it easy to paste into an email, a chat, or wherever you need to share the meeting details. And there you have it, you've now successfully scheduled a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Remember, organizing a meeting is more than just setting a date and time. It's about ensuring everyone involved knows what to expect and has easy access to join. This will make your meetings not only productive but also a breeze to organize. Thanks for watching and happy meeting planning.